Air-Clips.com.
Where do you want to go? Where do we need to go? Just
go a little bit more to the right, slightly, maybe.
Where's the airport? Where's the airport?
You see this valley?
Which valley?
Straight ahead there is a lower valley.
Yeah.
So we could actually go around that mountains to the right of it.
Yeah, okay.
And then come in from the other side, huh?
So that's what we do?
Yeah.
We go over there in this big valley over there?
Exactly, yeah.
And we stay at 8.5 or?
Yeah, you can stay at 8.5 right now.
Or can we go 100 feet above ground?
Oh.
You want to put the squelch off or?
Yeah, I could put the squelch off now. Excuse me. So she hears us, she's there.
Yeah. Let's slow down a little bit so we can enjoy it.
Yeah, go down to 180 again, yeah, exactly.
And the traffic pattern is at which altitude? 5,000?
Yeah, so you can actually fly now towards these mountains there and towards that valley, and you cut the corner a little bit short. The pattern altitude will be 5,000, but to keep the altitude because we have to fly over a mountain ridge.
Okay.
If you want, you can also use this valley if you want.
Yeah.
And then we can check at the orientation and descend in the valley and then turn into the downwind.
So this one here, you mean?
This to the left of the mountain.
Okay.
Yeah, that also works. That also works. That's Charme down here. That's Lac de Gruyère down here. And we can actually already go to FMS speeds because it already switched to 180.
Because 180. Okay.
Yeah, that's good. Because it helps to reduce the workload, because as soon as you select flaps, it's going to reduce the speed.
The auto throttle is a big invention on the PC-12. I really like it.
Yeah.
I would definitely never buy a plane again without auto throttle. Such an ease on the workload.
Exactly. And you saw you could concentrate on doing the approach before, and the auto throttle was doing the speed and everything.
Much nicer.
Saanen traffic Pilatus 172 is at 8,000 feet, about 10 miles north of the field for landing.
Pilatus 172 here in Saanen, welcome. We have runway 26 in use.
Okay, I will report overhead joining the downwind for runway 26. Say again the QNH, Pilatus 172.
Pilatus 172, stand by for QNH.
1010, probably, but...
In the mountains, better to make sure, right?
Yep.
Pilatus 172, the QNH from Bern is 1010.
Roger, 1010, Pilatus 172. 10.
Got some.
So yeah, now you can, speed is checked, you can select flaps 8. And you can slowly descend towards 5,000 feet if the terrain allows it to you.
Okay.
But the throttle is still on, it goes towards 150. So expect...
Extended center line you can't put on here, right?
Yeah, I could, yeah. But this is the valley, so we have to turn over here and then fly the circling here. Huh?
Okay.
So you're coming right into the good place.
Be careful because we have 21 from the front, so we might experience some rotor waves.
Yeah, just don't go lower right now, just keep the nose still. That's fine. That's good, yeah. Just to pass slightly down, that's good. Really good. So you see the orientation over there, where you see that white spot, that's Gstaad. So we fly the downwind along that mountain you see there on the right.
And then around
Gstaad with a left turn. Huh?
I see what you mean. And this mountain in front, we go to the right of it or to the left?
No,
or
I
the
think
right,
you can before the mountain, you can turn towards the crosswind.
Okay, so before that mountain, you turn left.
Exactly, yeah. And fly towards 5,000 feet. Okay.
Well, the pilot shouldn't be smoking, huh? I think I know why you gave this plane this call sign. Because it does fly like a Cessna 172.
Yeah.
It flies really, really easy for a jet, I have to say. Really, really easy. I'm very impressed by it.
I would recommend you now to go flaps 15.
Speed is checked. Flaps 1.5. We're going to land with what? Flaps 1.5 or
No,
33? And we stay to the right on the shoulder
the valley
of
and then fly the downwind at 5,000 along on the other side of the valley. At 5,000.
Yeah.
All good.
And the runway is down here.
Yeah.
And we go around the mountain, circle, and then come back.
Yeah.
Can inhibit that if you want.
Yeah, hopefully.
We go over this mountain? Or?
No, along.
Along, okay.
Descend to 5,000. So Pilatus 172 is overhead the Rundschmond, descending through 5,800 feet, joining the downwind for 6.
Pilatus 172 here is Saanen. We have runway 26 in use. Do you require fuel on the ground?
Negative, Pilatus 172. Roger. So, okay. Now you hit 135, nicely.
You turn right behind the mountain.
Keep on the right side, so off the valley.
Do we stay at 5,000 or?
5,000, yeah. Stay at 5,000. Pilatus 172 is overhead. Start the circle overhead. Start. Okay, I give you the gear, or you can lower the gear.
Speed is checked. Now you can see better to your side,
yes,
so you have to tell me.
Keep on going that way. That's good, and you can start smooth descent.
How many degrees? 3 degrees?
Yeah, 2 degrees maybe, something like this. Yeah, and I'll give you flaps full. And so you have to turn around here and go to the other edge of that, that mountain there. Huh? You see the forest? So turn around now. Leave the pass up. Yeah, that's good. Turn.
Quite a steep bank, right?
Yeah, 30 degrees bank should be fine. Use 3 degrees flight pass. The airport is at 3.
In this case.
Yeah, exactly. All good. Yeah, fly a little bit base. That was 45 degrees bank. 30 would be good.
Okay.
Yeah.
But 45 is more fun, you agree?
Yeah, I agree. And now we could nicely fly the mountain there. Yeah, and continue descent. Yeah, along the terrain.
It's a bit like La Molde 06.
Yeah, it is.
And we're going to hit the...
Pilatus 172 left and base 26.
We're going to hit the top of the church tower, right?
Yep. You see now the runway?
Yeah, I see that.
You have to go down. All the automation off. 3 greens, flap 33. Final check is completed. Yeah, auto throttle is off. Nose down. Power idle. Air brake out. Yeah, good.
Speed.
Power.
Yeah.
Power. Good. Continue like this. Good. Aiming point down. Into the runway. Speed. Very good. Continue. Just nose down. You see the threshold. You aim for the threshold. Yeah. All good. Will be air brake. Good. And yeah, let it go. Idle. 3 greens. And full braking. Yep, full braking. Just brake it through.
Oh my God, what a nice plane. And that was the anti-skid system, right? That kicked in.
Yeah. So you could vacate here. Huh?
Oh my god, what a nice plane.
Okay. Good. So, a little bit of trust, please.
Because it goes uphill?
Yep.
Hotel Bravo, Victor Uniform, welcome to Saanen. Please follow the marshal for parking.
Follow the marshal inside for parking, please. Okay. Slow, slow, slow. Give the marshal some time, please.
Oh, he's running nicely.
Yeah.
He's a very sportive guy, you know.
Please follow the marshal for parking.
See, inside. 0938.
What a nice plane.
Airclips.com